कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Habakran hakijinga lang juga sinat terekam kisamla juga NPP Ïakob latip ke National People's Youth Front. Menteri Rangba ke Zelau konrak ke Sangma ubederu National President juga NPP uluong baling ba ke program Yes Meghalaya hausnam beladam ke sorkar kala penlut sau klur tingka dari minta usnam kala mang hadu arpo klur tingka nak benta ke samla bat keni ke bahak nak benta ke kenhon ne ke seng juga samla ke bedap ben register ya ke seng jongki. Kini kejingarap kan long nak benta bikin Pynlong ke rensan berper kum kejinga lekai football kejinga Ïakob Rwai bat Kiwei pat ke rensan bat lingba kini ke sorkar kan ajingarap ki Duna ke silak tingka. Shushu menteri rangba ulaong. Baha ke bayadai bikin nong sengkam lajong menta usnam ke sorkar kelamang do shispa san folklor pan ajingarap ki de ke pisah kan bikin la ben bentelun ke kam jongki. Hakani kejuk kejingalang ulapen pau kejing sengau sarong patang apok lai benai ke sorkar ke uyalam. Kelala bentungkam hadu sanspa ngut ke doktor hakani ke jela.
Why is the Youth Front so important for us? Why is it that Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister have come here in spite of so many other programs that we have? Right after this, we will be meeting 500 new doctors who have just been appointed. So Honorable Health Minister and myself will be meeting. You know that we have, in a record time of just 3 months, we recruited 500 doctors, and today we will be meeting all of them and just sharing some of our thoughts with them, because they will be people who will be saving lives at the grassroots level. So we felt it's important that they should listen to the leadership and at least understand what we have in our minds. And that program is at 12:30 today. But in spite of that, we came here to be with you because for us, our youth are very, very important. You have seen it in what we have done in the past, what we're going to do in the future also, and the plans that we have. I was sharing with some of the people yesterday, in fact, in the same hall. We were talking to some of the NCC cadets that there is a very special program that we have. I don't know if you know about this. It's called the Yes Meghalaya program. And through this Yes Meghalaya program, any youth group, anybody, you can form a group, register it. You want to do any activity. You want to have a football match, any sports activity, any music, activity, talent hunt, any kind of competition, any kind of environmental activities, anything that you want to do. You simply have to apply, and without asking any question, we as a state government are giving up to 1 lakh rupees to all the youth groups throughout the state. In the last 2 years, we have funded, I can't remember exactly, but close to 2,000 groups we had funded, and we spent approximately about 4 crores in the last 2 years. But in 2024-25, I have kept 20 crores to be given to the youth. 20 crores. So have more programs. Organize the youth. If NPYF can take the lead to also motivate and spread this message of how this government is working for the youth, and encourage them and guide them on how they can form organizations, be active, and do the right thing and spend their energy in the right activities, I think it can be a great game changer for the youth and also for our party and the National People's Youth Front. The kind of business that is there, up to 75% subsidy is what we are offering. Of course, there are limited number of slots. We are starting with 20,000 in the first go, but I intend to go up to almost 50,000, depending of course on the financials. But 20,000 for a beginning, where we will be starting 20,000 businesses, will be helping you. We have budgeted almost close to 300 crores to be spent on this from the state government side. For 2024 alone, we are going to be spending 150 crores to give money to our entrepreneurs like you who want to start their business, no question asked. You will be given the money without collateral, without any terms and conditions. Of course, terms and condition is you have to use it for the right thing. That's the only term and condition. But that is the kind of things we are doing.